I'm going to show you how to check if your alternator is bad. Mine's bad, as you can see it right there. There's the old one I'm about to replace. It's very simple. Start your engine and unplug one of the battery terminals. If your engine shuts off, you need a new alternator. And sorry about that, it's my geese chasing the husky. Check your alternator fuse. Some newer cars don't bring them because they run through the computer stuff. But check it. If your fuse for your alternator is blown, then again, that means that your alternator sent a high voltage through that fuse and blew it up. Your alternator is bad. Okay? No matter what, it's bad. Even if you replace the fuse and you put a new one, it's only a matter of time until it does it again and you are stranded. For sure. My battery is only 2 years old. This battery is still real good. I got to clean the terminal, as you can see. But again, that's the best way to check if your alternator is bad. Unplug it. Your engine shuts off. Boom. Your alternator is bad. Your fuse is blown away. Your alternator is about to leave you stranded and he's about to give away. Just replace your alternator. It's my best advice. If you unplug it and your engine doesn't shut off, congratulations. Your battery light's coming on. It's your battery. You go ahead and replace your battery. More than likely, it's your battery. Because let me tell you something. If you unplug it and your automobile didn't shut off, your alternator is giving power to the engine to keep it on and for your computer and the whole system. So it has to be your battery. What else can it be? So there you go. Go ahead and give me a follow. I keep it quick. I get to the point. This is Michael, and thanks for supporting my channel. Have a good day.